Here we come to the brand new ThyssenKrupp Agile elevators at the Bank of America Tower in downtown Houston, Texas. My very ever first ThyssenKrupp Agile destination dispatch. This is awesome, y'all. Normally I don't get excited over a modern elevator like this, but this is the first Agile in Houston. Let's ride, here we go. I endure my very first ThyssenKrupp Agile elevator. We're not going to the main lobby because there's a desk right in front of the elevators here. So that's why we are starting here from the lowest floor. Oh, here's this car right here. I wasn't sure which one it is. Unfortunately, the main elevators are turnstiled off, so we're not going to do those. This appeared to be Synergy or something, I don't know, or Evolution MRL. We still got I. Look how low the ceiling is for the elevator hoistway landing versus the elevator cab.